guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be talking about home gym, and I've been doing home workouts since 2018, and I consider it as one of the major factors of my weight loss journey. Working out at home plus balanced diet helped me a lot to lose weight and eventually maintain it. And I am proud to say everything was done at home. No diet pills, no diet coffee, no diet tea, no supplement, and didn't even go to the gym.
Before anything else, feel free to like or share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe.
So why set up your own home gym? Here's why. No membership fee. That's around 25,000 to 50,000 yearly back to your wallet. No traveling, no commuting, no traffic, no gas consumption, no parking worries because you are going nowhere but the comfort of your home. No dress code. You can wear just about anything you desire. Yoga pants, shorts, t-shirt, sando, sports bra. If you want to wear your pambahay or maybe your two-piece, it's all up to you. No scheduling limit, no queuing. You can work out anytime, any day, any night at your own convenience. No pressure. You can work out whatever, whenever, wherever, however you want it. More affordable. You can go on with your budget. No need to be fancy. Buy what you can. More comfortable. You can work out in silence with loud music or while watching your Korean drama or your Hollywood movies. More privacy. You can work out alone or with company, maybe with your SO or your best buddy, and you will not worry about anything else but you and you yourself. And last but not the least, more at home. Because you are at home. And home is where the heart is. And this time, your home gym too. So, how do you set up your home gym? 3 simple steps. Step 1. Find a space. Dedicate an area, may it be indoor or outdoor. And yes, more room, more space is better. Who doesn't want it big, diba? But for a starter, small space is okay, and it doesn't have to be an actual room for those with limited spaces. Maybe few square meters on your bedroom, living room, or kitchen. What is important is you can move freely and you are comfortable doing the workouts you want to do. So this is the space where I do my workouts at home every night. Step 2. Get your equipment. That depends on your fitness goal. If you want to lose weight or you want to tone up, choose the right equipment for you. For a starter, you can go on with just a yoga mat and do some no equipment workouts. There are a lot of exercises that don't require equipments. Do some planking, squatting, burpees, lunges, crunches. There are a lot of workouts that don't require equipment, and then slowly invest on your equipments. But I suggest start small. Don't get those big, bulky, expensive equipments right away. That's the usual mistake. They go big time, then they lose interest, and poof, white elephant. These are my equipments and gears. Shoes, gloves, dumbbells, kettlebell, slider, jumping rope, ab wheel, aerobic step, yoga mat, weighted hula hoop, sit-up bench, resistance band, swivel push-up bars. Step 3. Find a storage. You need to take into consideration the after use or the upkeep of your equipments. Keep dust and moisture away from your equipments. That can cause damages because we want them to last, diba? And to keep them away from children's reach to avoid untoward incidents. So how do you store it? For small equipments, you can keep them in a storage box, drawer, cabinet. If you can keep them in its actual box, actual packaging with its manual on it, the better. If not, you can use an old t-shirt, old blanket, separate them to avoid dents. For big equipments, better also if they are foldable and disassemble, if you can hide it under the bed. This is the storage where I keep my equipments and gears. So that's about it. I hope you are encouraged to set up your own home gym and start your home workouts. If you have any question or suggestion, please comment down below, or you can send me a private message through my Facebook or Instagram. If you have set up your own home gym, please send us a picture or a video through my Facebook and Instagram. I would love to show everyone your own home gym. Feel free to like and share this video, and most importantly, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button to get notified for new uploads. So that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. Till the next video. Bye-bye.